Hi there! Here's a quick video on how to send messages to parents. Go under Parent Messaging, Phone Surveys, click on Create New Survey, give the message a name, let's say Class List Announcements, select your languages, English and Spanish, and select your recipients. If you want to send one message per family, you should select Students. Or if you want to send a message to every parent, go ahead and select parents as your recipients. So in part one, we'll start with configuring the message. So we'll click Edit. Now this is where you'll create the text for what it is you want to say. And you'll notice that you can also create these tags or these placeholders for spots where the system will fill in information. So for example, for class lists, I want to say, dear parent, your child, and I'll say student's first name will be with teacher's first name in room and then room number. So basically the system will replace all those fields. Dear parent, your child, say John, will be with Max in room 304. So let's create update, and we'll go ahead and manage the recordings. So you'll notice here that for each, you'll be able to record the specific phrases in between the placeholders that you've created. So dear parent, your child, we'll click record, give a phone number, click call me now, and go ahead and record your message. Once your message is recorded, you'll see a listen link. You can click on it to view the message or to listen to the message. Go ahead and record all the remaining components. So once you've recorded all your messages and you're happy with how things sound, we can proceed with part two. So in part two, we'll click on I'm ready to merge data. And now what we want to do is select the fields that will be placed into those placeholders. So if you remember, we'll want the student's name, the teacher's name, and the room number. So let's pick the student's name here. Well, let's pick the student's first name. Let's pick the teacher's first name. The student ID is required. I mentioned that I want the room number, so let's include the room number here. And because we're doing a class teachers, we should include homeroom in the report as well. Click done, and here is my report. I can rearrange this if I need to. Let's save that, and I'll click close. Now this brings us back to part two where we merge the data. And again, those placeholders that we put into the text above, these placeholders here, student's first name, teacher's first name, and room number, now appear on the left side of the merge data section. And we can select columns from the report that we've just created, which will be included in the message. So for example, I'll select first name for the student's first name. I'll click first name for the teacher's first name, and I'll also include room number. All right, I'm going to save this for posterity. And your last step, you can either click send survey to send the message immediately, or you can click schedule survey call and indicate what time you want to send the message. And that's it. So let's see what this message sounds like.
Be in the same class with
Margaret,
in room
121.
And there's your message.